The real wealth of the nation lies in the resources of the earth: soil, water, forest, minerals, and wildlife. To utilize them for present needs while ensuring their preservation for future generations requires a delicately balanced and continuing program based on the most extensive research. Good morning, students. Welcome back to our class. From the above statement, you can easily guess what we are studying today. Yes, today we will study about the importance of minerals. Mineral resource is defined as a occurrence of natural, solid, inorganic or fossilized organic material in or on the earth crust in such form and quantity and of such a grade or quality that it has reasonable prospects for economic extraction. These minerals are useful to man. There are some common minerals which are using in our day-to-day life, like bauxite, which is an ore of aluminium used for making aluminium foil, different parts of aeroplane, and also aluminium wires. Calcite, medicines, toothpaste, building materials are obtained from calcite. Graphite. Graphite is used in the making of pencils. Jewelry. Jewelry is made from silver, diamonds, and jade. Soapstone, powder, etc. are made from talc. Conservation of minerals. Conservation of land resources itself prevent shortage of mineral resources as minerals are extracted from soil. We all appreciate the strong dependence of industry and agriculture upon mineral deposits and the substances manufactured from them. The total volume of workable mineral deposit is an insignificant portion that is of the earth crust. We are rapidly consuming these resources. The minerals are finite and non-renewable. There is also an urgent need to conserve the resources and protect them for the future generation. There are some way so we can conserve our natural resources. Use of minerals in a planned and sustainable manner. Recycling of metals. The traditional resources like coal and oil should be replaced by the alternative energy sources like solar power, wind vane, and geothermal energy. Scrap metal should be recycled. For example, scrap iron and aluminum metal are used extensively in the construction industry for projects as varied as roads and bridges. It is also used for manufacturing automobiles, aircraft, and other kinds of travel. The use of substitute for metal, which are scarce, can also reduce their consumption. Export of important and scarce minerals must be reduced so that existing reserve can last longer. Use of efficient methods of mining to take out every possible tonnage lying below the ground. So students, today we have learnt about importance of minerals and conservation of minerals. Thank you and have a nice day.